Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosemary Puertas. I am 24 years old. I am single. I am graduate College of Computer Science, 4 years. I am a first-timer. I have experience as a housemaid in 2 years in the Philippines. My main duties are cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing dishes, and taking care of the children. I serve 4 members of the family, mom and sir, and 2 children. The older one is 14 years old, and the eldest one is 3 years old. I prepared clothes of the 14 years old boy for the school and bags. And also I prepared milk for the 3 years old baby and give his milk and vitamins. To all employers of the Hong Kong, please choose me as your helper because I am honest, hardworking, and patient. I promise to be a good helper, trusty, and I promise to love your family. Thank you.